Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm joining Sonia from Domestic Diva DIY on the $10 dollar store DIY challenge. And I'm so excited because I took my 10 bucks and went to a couple of stores here, dollar stores here, and I spent them on the most beautiful things ever. Well, when we DIY them. Now let's get started. And this is my haul. As you can see, we have here a mop. Yeah, a mop. We have some sponges. And we have twine. I have two of those, but I will change one of them for some yarn. We have two pieces of rug. It says $1.99 each, but I got the two of them for $1 each. And we have this big rug that's a 3 by 4 feet rug, and it's beautiful. Now let's get started. This is the yarn we will be using. I had it in my stash and I changed one twine for that, so it's $1. Now to make our tassels, we're gonna take this mop and we're gonna start pulling those strings, and then we're gonna cut them in half and make a knot in one of those pieces, and those would be our mop tassels. And now I'm making a tassel out of twine, and I'm gonna give it 15 rows and then cut and just tie it in the top part and then tie it in the center, a little bit higher than the center, to make our tassel and cut the ends. I'm gonna repeat that process with our yarn to make our yarn tassels also. And that's it. For our first rug, these are our supplies. We're gonna take our carpet and we're gonna start making triangles with our masking tape like I'm doing here and cutting the X's. As you see me doing here, like that, and we're gonna mask everything we need. And as you see, I have my remote there because my son was watching TV. And continue using your masking tape all around and making your triangles like that. And now we're taking black paint and just painting the exposed part of our triangles. We're gonna paint all around our carpet. That's a carpet piece. If you like what you see here, please consider subscribing because I would love to have you here. This is what I usually do. I love boho decor and I also love farmhouse, and I'm doing lots of modern farmhouse decor and also a lot of boho. So if you want, join our family because you will love what I'll be bringing to the table next month or this month on July. And we're gonna continue painting like that until we covered everything that's exposed on our rug, because now it's not a piece of carpet. After that, we're gonna let it dry really well. And before it dries, we remove all the masking tape. And now I'm gonna add my tassels like that, hot gluing them to the ends of my carpet, or no, a rug. Now it's a rug. And I'm gonna add 4 on each side, including my corners. So 1 on each corner and 2 in the center, as you see me doing here. And continue adding until you have added all of them. And we have a beautiful carpet. These are the supplies for our second rug. We're gonna make the big one. For our second rug, we're gonna do is we're gonna attach those tassels, mop tassels, to the ends. Now I've divided them, and 27 for each side is what I have. And we're gonna start hot gluing them. You can sew them if you prefer, But for time purposes and this video, I'm just hot gluing them to the ends and they are holding on really nicely. I'm not having any issues with those. And hot glue them, and I'm using that spatulas because I don't want to get burned again. And one of my stubbies, Elizabeth, gave me that idea and it's awesome. I love that idea. I haven't been burned in a couple of days. And continue adding those to the sides like that until you cover both sides. Now we're gonna give it a good trim. I'm just trimming the excess and we're gonna continue all around for our two sides trimming, and that will be it. You will have a beautiful boho rug. These are the supplies for our third rug. First, we're gonna take our carpet and we're gonna divide it in 4 pieces by using 3 pieces of masking tape. As you see here, I made lines. And we're gonna take our colors, celery, burnt umber, and white, and make lines on our plate like that, so we can dip our sponges on our paint. Now we're gonna dip them and we're gonna start painting lines on our rug, but you won't see it now because it's on the top and I haven't realized that that wasn't showing on my camera, but now you're gonna start seeing them. And we're making a pattern, first green, then brown or burnt umber, and then the white one. We're gonna start making lines like that all over the piece, and we're gonna make like a chevron type of pattern, just doing and keeping up with the same colors that we're doing. As you can see here, we're just keeping up with the same colors, and we're gonna go all around our carpet doing the exact same pattern. And now it's turning into a rug, so it's not a carpet. And continue stamping your sponges till you complete that. Now it's all done, and the most satisfying part is removing the masking tape and seeing your beautiful pattern, and it's looking beautiful. I love it. Now we're gonna let it dry completely so we can start adding our tassels. And for our tassels, what I'm doing is removing a piece of that paper backing and adding them so I can have them where I want them. And then I'm gonna start adding hot glue to my tassels so they are permanently there. That's what we want. We don't want them to go anywhere. And continue just placing them. I'm just placing one on each corner and one in the center of my rug. As you can see here, I'm hot gluing them. And that's it. You can go and check out my Facebook and also my Instagram. All the links are in the description box down below. And also, if you want, you can send me an email and show me your beautiful projects. And I'm gonna continue adding my tassels until I finish, like that. And then we will have a beautiful, beautiful, breathtakingly beautiful rug. And that's it. We're done. It's beautiful. And this is how the first one turned out. As you can see, it's beautiful and I love it. It's so cute and boho. And this is the second one, the longer one. You see a line in the middle, but I will be covering because I will be adding the first one on top of our second one in that centerpiece. And now we have the last one, and this is it. It's so cute. It's like an exterior rug or something like that, because of the tassels we added. I just want to take this opportunity to remind you that in the description box down below you're going to find the link to the playlist and also to Sonia's channel. I just want to thank her for bringing us this awesome challenge because I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.